going to be doing this wood puzzle. I got this from Aldi for like $10, I think. Guys, what was that? Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Where's Woody?
Wait, it's not here, Mom. Where's this gone?
Woody's gone. Is he at Nanny's?
Nanny. It's not here, Mom. Where's this gone?
Woody's gone.
It's gone.
You okay? He's safe. He'll be at Nan's. And
It's a dingy song again.
It's over at Nan's house. Do you know what? We're going to go see Meta this morning.
Nanny, that's not a toy.
We're going to OT this morning.
Nanny, that's not a toy.
Before school. Come on. We have an appointment this morning. Ah, there's Woody.
Oh, wait. Oh, pretty funny.
You found him. Where was he? Right.
Oh, there, wow.
Right here in the car. Woody, what are you doing?
I'm going to Cash's house. I'm going to his house.
You're going to Cash's house. We'll go see Meta.
What's he doing?
Ah, you found him. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. You say good morning? Say hi, guys.
Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome to the
Welcome to the vlog.
Huh?
Oh, hi, Woody.
I'm looking.
Hi, Woody. We found Woody. Oh, okay. What are we doing, Cash? Where are we? We're at OT this morning. We have a quick morning session before school, so I'm actually just going to take Cash to school today. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button below if you like the videos, and also, and also give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the video.
This is my trump card, isn't it? Ready? And look, 0 on the 0. Yay! Good work. And more. Wait. I'll get more balls. Ready? Go. Squeeze. Oh, wow. And more. Look. Here. Tap and give it to me. 3, 4. And look what's there. 5. Come. Thank you. Come. Stand on this and then we'll do it again, okay? Oopsie daisy. Go. Squeeze his tummy. Yes. Step in. Now you have to put your foot in like this. Go. No, you need to put your foot in. Hold it. Don't throw, and put your foot in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over and over. And climb up. Hold this and climb up. And put it in this. Okay, go back and get another coin, okay? Over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good work. blue. First pink. Pink. That's not pink. First pink. Which? Sweetie, pink. You know these colors, doesn't he? Pink. Then blue. Where's blue? Blue. Blue, that's purple. Blue. Wait a minute. So after this, we are going to play with the putty. First this, then putty. Okay? One yellow. No, we are not done. We have finished the line. One yellow.
Oh, you're going to sleep. I'm going to bed.
Do you want one pillow for home? You want to squeeze? Ready? Squeeze. Squeeze hands. Ready? Squeeze.
So sad.
You're sad?
Okay.
Squeeze. Cash. Squeeze. Can I squeeze you? Squeeze. Good? What do you want?
Squeeze.
Okay, come in the middle then. Come in the middle. Come here. Ready? Squeeze. More?
One
Squeeze
more
it.
time.
Yes, sure. Squeeze.
One more time.
Sure. Okay, good work. Pull. That's great. Now we'll do the cutting of the putty and then we'll come and go and have a squeeze again. Okay? So sit down here.
I'm sorry.
You're okay, darling. You wanted a squeeze, isn't it? Okay? So when you feel upset, you can have a squeeze in the bean bag. Yeah? Ready? We go cut, cut. Ooh, that's good. And cut, cut. Push and pull. Push, pull. Push, pull, push, pull. Push, pull. Push, pull, push, pull. Yeah, few more and then squeeze again, okay? Sit up straight. We are pretending to have dinner. Push, pull. Good work.
Hold it.
Don't hold it. You need to hold this though. You hold it like this. Yeah, go. Cut. Yes. Can you put your finger here, please? Look. Finger hold it. Go. Then pull. Cut. Good work, Cash. Yeah. One more. One more. Look and cut. No more. No more. Let's have a squeeze and come back. Go, have a squeeze. Go. So this is good that we need to give him that squeeze. Go in, more in. Listening, yeah. Ready? Squeeze. Coming, this way. Yeah, ready, hands down. Ready? I'm going to give you the massage. Massage time. Massage time. Massage time. Good work, Cash. Good work. Back away.
Okay.
Give this. Looking. You need to look, Cash. Okay, I'm not giving you squeeze if you're not looking, okay? Yeah, so look and look.
Sorry.
Go down. Good. It's pretty hard for me. And they all do that. They all say the name. Shoes on, time to go.
He knows. I think he just struggles trying to get it in
Yeah.
because they're too little. So I got
Put
him
it
some
on.
new ones.
Put the belt on.
Yeah. Okay. Ready for school?
Hey, howdy, hey! My name's Woody.
Come on. Where's your classroom? You show Mummy class? Where are you going? Going to see your friends. It's parade today. Let's go. Wonder if it's over. He's so excited to talk about his friends all morning. He's like, I'm going to go to school and see my friends. This is what I got from my grocery shop, and let's see how this goes. I think I'm just going to do some meal prep today, get all this sorted. These were all on special, so I decided, I think these were $1. So I decided to try them out as little snacks. Cut this up as a little snack. This was like $120.
I wish I